About?
The numbers, basically. What do they mean?
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Your finances are pretty bad. That's why you can't listen to me. I might include that in the video. It's pretty funny. What are your finances looking like right now? $100, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, non-existent, whatever it may be. There's still a chance and opportunity for you to develop financial stability. And that's what we're here to do today. Financial security might mean something different for you than it does for Morgan Freeman or me or your best friend. But nonetheless, we're gonna help you develop some financial skills. Today, I'm taking you through 3 chapters/lessons that'll help you build and develop your finances to make you stress-free. To be straightforward, everybody comes from a different position. You know, you might be coming from a family that is pretty well off. You live in a nice house, you got money to spend and money to spare, you're buying things, going on vacations. Or on the flip side, you might be coming from a little bit of a lower income family. You know, that's one that's struggling a bit more. You don't have that leisure, that freedom that you see some people in your school might have, or some people around you might have. Nonetheless, to get started on your financial journey, step 1 is making a financial overview. How much are you spending? How much are you making? Once you made this, one of the most important and first things that you gotta realize is that you need to make money. You know, it's gonna make it 20,000 times much more difficult to reach financial security if you're not making any income and you're just relying on what you have. Now, the most common way that you do this nowadays is getting a job, if that be part-time, full-time, seasonal, or if you get hired as a contractor, some sort of income that you get for your time and your expertise. Obviously, there's the opportunity of building your business and make money for you, but we're gonna go from the point where you're at a baseline, you don't got much going for you, so you're just gonna get a job and make income that way. Once you've got this overview and now you're generating income, so you know you're getting positive, you got green pluses flowing into your bank account, we gotta realize a way to reduce expenses. What are you spending your money on? Is it monthly subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, Apple Music, whatever it might be, Hulu, I don't even know what other subscriptions you can be. Are you spending a lot of money on that? Are you spending a lot of money on eating out? Impulsive decisions online and impulsive purchases. The key here is to cut out as many expenses that you don't need, that don't give you that true satisfaction that you have. You know, me personally, I know I have Spotify. I'm not cutting Spotify out of my life because I listen to music every single day. You may be in that group of people that thinks and has this idea that working and, you know, solely working and generating income for trading your time will get you to the economic state and economic stability state that you want. What I want you to do is take that idea, throw it in the trash. Tony Robbins has this idea called the nest egg, an idea that I'm gonna need you to understand and implement. It's this idea that you're saving a portion of money that you're making and putting it into investments in that nest egg. Now you might be asking, saving, I'm still trying to pay off debt, trying to pay off anything. You gotta put some sort of some sort of level of saving to get started. Anywhere from 5 to 15% is highly recommended. It's a pretty standard amount. 5% if you're scraping together bills, 15% if you're balling like a real baller. You take this money and you just put it away and invest into some sort of ETFs and stocks. Which leads us to our next point, investing. Investing in stocks is pretty common, if not the most common way of investing and generating income nowadays. An easy way to reduce risk and get these benefits of investing in stocks is investing in low-cost ETFs. ETFs are a compilation and grouping of stocks that follow major markets. You know, you can get an S&P 500 ETF that tracks 500 companies in the S&P, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, that's literally how it is. So if it goes up, you go up, and there's 500 companies of it, so it reduces your risk while still generating returns, and then it has compounding on it. So best way to generate income and make sure that you start building this strong foundation to get financial security. Now I want you to understand this message crystal clear. I mean, like crystal clear. This takes time. Your financial security and freedom and stability won't come with a couple months. It's gonna take time. You might be, 50 watching this video and you're starting out, but if you wait till, you're 65, you'll be better off than you would have been if you didn't listen to this video. It takes time, and if you're not one to listen to it, I'm sorry, and that's unfortunate, but every financial book that you read and find out there will support this idea.
Now, how could a 20-year-old kid know all this about generational wealth?
A wise man learns from the mistakes of others. I may not have the experience nor the credibility to tell you about generational wealth because, man, I've been alive for 20 years, not even a generation. So, but everybody that I learned from, all the people that I learned from, their mistakes and all the knowledge they've given to me leads down this path. If you're not taking it from me, go open a book, the books that I've read, and learn it from them and find out that I'm just saying what they're saying. So it's literally the same information. They're just more credible, which is understandable, but I'm so cooking. Now, I want you to get this straight too. I'm taking my medicine. I'm a 20-year-old. I have a lot of time to invest and get my financials, secure and stable at a point that I'm content with. You might not be, but if I'm doing it, you could be too. It doesn't matter how much you're putting away, if it's $5, $10, any sort of amount of financial money that you can set aside to help you for your future is huge. It's going to help you, and it's going to get you these habits that are installed in your brain that you're just automatically used to doing, and making it so that you are just financially set and more stable when the time comes that you need this money. I luckily have just been, gifted and content and had the opportunity to learn these ideals and ideas and concepts at an early age and implement them, and have the opportunity and freedom to implement them. You may be in a stage where you need to pay a lot of things off, and that's how life goes. But if you can spare any sort of money and put it towards your generational and future investing, it will go a long way. Building a life of generational wealth and stress-free finances is not for everybody. Not everybody thinks about it and believes in it and wants to do it. Some people are content with the way they live now, spending the money they get now for things that they get now, just that instant gratification level. But if you're somebody that wants to be, 45 to 65 and have this strong foundation and financial security that reduces the stress, reduces anything that you have to worry about financially, this is the way.
Do you know the way? You don't know the way.
This is the easiest, best way to go about it. Make sure that you have a good way and good standing, and that you will not have to worry about it in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe. A lot of content, a lot of editing, a lot of rhymes, a lot of dimes, a lot of, I don't know, I was trying to cook there. Trying to cook some riddles in the middle. We're gonna work on these videos for some time. Hopefully I get some good editing in them. I've got some content ready to go and upload, so I just want to make these some high quality videos. Hopefully I just put some effects there. But nonetheless, I hope you guys are having a great time. I hope you guys enjoy my content. A lot of stuff coming out, working a lot of projects, hoping to find some stuff that reaches my audience, reaches you guys, and stuff that you enjoy. And hopefully this is one of them videos. So don't forget, the power to transform your lives lies within you. Don't stop learning, don't stop growing, don't stop launching towards your dreams. I'm your host, Angel Savina, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.